My name's Tom Thompson. My company's Albocaltro Limited, and we deal with tree consultancy and all matters arboricultural. I came to James's digital marketing masterclass today to learn more strategies for online marketing, because I do some of this already, but the marketplace is changing all the time. I need to keep current and stay up to date and develop some new strategies. We learn about all forms of social media marketing, but specifically to target the main ones that are relevant to our business. And we spent the third day just on Facebook and identifying how to advertise on that. I would recommend this course to anyone that does any online marketing. It's a very easy course to follow. James puts it in a very understandable way. He gives you lots of support, you get lots of handouts and online support moving forward, and he answers all your questions as you're going along.